isikhathi njengoba uhamba ubreaka yonke le ndlela sicela imali sehle ushayela kanjani unjena yazi from i-distance njengoba ulapho angifanele ukuthi udakiwe ngithe mina ushayela kanjani ngithe ushayela kanjani njengoba ngila lungileke into engiyibonile wrong awukwazi uhamba sicela imali yethu sigibele enye i-taxi simple noma sikureport all right
Hello Mzansi, welcome to Mkosasa Mzansi. If today is your first time visiting this channel, please do the right thing and click the subscribe button, and also don't forget to smash the like button. There's a viral video that is trending lapana agma social media platforms including TikTok, whereby there's a driver who's driving a taxi at Zagiwe and driver nje recklessly, so driver kabi uyagijima like he was speeding, and labo sesi laba abaqele kwehla ku driver obvious because basabeleta impilo takhe like wonke umuntu indlela nje wonke umuntu angenda ngakhona if driver kabi baqale kwehla kulo driver and baqela futhi ukuthi driver abayinde njani abanike imali yabo back aba-refund since behlile due to his reckless driving. So driver was refusing to give them their money because bambona kokuqala ukuthi udzakiwe but akafuni ukubanika imali yabo. So lobo they were saying ukuthi kungcono siyokureport thina. They were making a video bashutha ama-disc akhe bashutha i-number plate yakhe, and the guy was just sitting there athi inahamba nongreporta uma nikhona kukwenda lokho. Yathi there are people abangawuthathi serious umsebenzi wabo netimpilo tebantu because usebenza ngebantu like but uye emsebenzini ozakiwe. And then people would say ukuthi hey asinamsebenzi, hey high employment wani ndlala ngemathuba emsebenzi ndlala ngemsebenzi. Like how can you go to work udzakiwe ungidriver nohani ayikha. Siyabonga nje kulabo sisi were able to stand up for themselves. Please subscribe. I'll see you next time. Goodbye.